Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the Cyclone Ring in your Dyson SV47 vacuum cleaner. This task can enhance the efficiency of your vacuum, ensuring it operates at its best. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Begin by removing the dust canister. To do this, press the release button located on the top of the canister. Once removed, set it aside. Next, we need to access the Cyclone assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the Cyclone to the main body of the vacuum. There are typically 3 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the Cyclone assembly away from the vacuum. You may notice some dust and debris inside. Use your soft brush to clean the interior of the vacuum, ensuring there's no blockage that could affect performance. Now let's focus on the Cyclone itself. Inspect it for any cracks or damage. If it's in good condition, you can proceed to replace the ring. If you need a replacement Cyclone, we can help with that too. Just remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. To replace the ring, locate the small clips that hold it in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips open. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the Cyclone. Once the clips are released, remove the old ring and replace it with the new one. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. After replacing the ring, it's time to reassemble the Cyclone. Align it back into the vacuum body and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them firmly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, reattach the dust canister. Make sure it clicks into position. Now plug in your vacuum and give it a test run. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. Finally, remember that maintaining your Dyson SV47 is crucial for its longevity. Regular cleaning and timely replacements can save you money in the long run. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Thank you for following this guide. With these steps, you should have your Dyson SV47 running like new again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.